In this video, we are going to look on how to fix Marvel Rivals unknown error code 220. First, we will try adjusting our DNS settings. Go to the search bar on your PC and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel and click on Network and Sharing. Click on Change Adapter Settings. Then right-click on your active internet connection and select Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties. Change the DNS server to Preferred DNS Server and Alternate DNS Server. Click on OK and then restart your game to check if the error is resolved. You can even try and disable your antivirus temporarily and then try relaunching your game. Also check if your PC is up to date and also update your graphics card to the latest drivers. You can do it from the official website of Nvidia or AMD depending on your graphics card. Restart your computer after updating the drivers and launch the game. I hope this helps you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.